Welcome to Slide Egg. Today, we're going to learn how to create a stunning image animation using a hexagon shape in PowerPoint. Head over to the Shape Format tab and select the hexagon shape. Now, drag it onto your slide, then click Align Middle and Align Center to make sure it's perfectly positioned. Next, let's add a little rotation. Head to the rotation option and click Rotate Right 90 degrees. Now, duplicate the hexagon, adjust the size, and position both hexagons. Select them, then click Align Middle and Align Center once more to line them up perfectly. It's time to add your image. Insert your image and align it to the center. Resize it so it covers the hexagon completely. Next, click Send to Back, then select the shape and the image. Go to the Merge Shapes option and choose Intersect. This will cut your image into the shape of the hexagon. Now, select the shape again, click Send to Back. This will make the image fit perfectly inside the hexagon shape, and group everything together by selecting All and choosing Group. Move this grouped shape to the left side of the slide. Next, right-click on the slide, select Format Background, and change the background color to a nice brown. Now, select your hexagon shape, and change its color to white. It's time to add some text. Select the text box and type in your message. Duplicate the slide and zoom out a bit. Resize your image and move it to the left side of the slide. Rotate the hexagon to the left, and move the text to the right. Finally, let's add a smooth transition. Go to the Transitions tab and select Morph, move the first slide to the bottom and duplicate it. Now, sit back and watch as your hexagon shape and image smoothly animate with the morph transition effect. And that's it. You've just created a fantastic image animation using a hexagon shape. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative tutorials from Slide Egg.